So let's have an example here. Let's say what? Maybe PD PDO to take two arguments. Maybe have what? Have X and Y, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so let's compile it and see what will happen. And well, you see, so now just having this PDO and passing just this X and Y, it saves us all these code writing. So it simplifies our work. Again, if you have two commands, if you have two parameters and they are just one letter parameter, you can just avoid the parentheses. You can just avoid the parentheses, but make sure you have a space between the command and your argument. So doing this also should give us the same result. So let's compile and see if that's the case. Again, yeah, that's the case, because now it treats this as the first argument and this one as the second argument. This works only if your arguments are one letter argument. If it's your arguments are two letter arguments, then you need to change that. You need to put so best practice is to put the curly bracket. So we can have maybe 2D 2x and 3y. That's an example. I don't have to make sense. And yeah, there we have that. But you see, if we don't put the curly bracket, it will just take the 2 as the first argument and x as the second argument, and 3y it will be on the do not be taken care of well. So you see, so that's let's also have an example on the same of partial derivatives, but now this case of second order. So new command PDT for PD2, and again two parameters, and we can have display style flag, and then you can have partial, then 2 power 2, then the first argument, then you can have partial 2, then 2 power 2. Yes, and you can close that. So let's come here and have PDT and have XY and see what will happen. Oh, okay, have to have that one backslash for the command. And okay, let me have a space here, have a new line that you can see the differences. Yes, and yes, also I can do some centering that it can be centered. Yeah, and you can see now this one is second order partial derivative. So you see how it saves us this code, this lot of code, and that's how you can define your command. So as you can see, defining new commands in LaTeX, it opens up endless possibilities for customizing your documents and improving your workflow. So experiment with different commands to suit your needs and make your LaTeX experience even more efficient. So stay tuned for more LaTeX tips and tricks in our next video. Until then, happy typesetting. God bless you.